This week the European Parliament is sitting in Strasbourg, and that's why I'm here, of course. But the focus for us has been on London, on Westminster, with the beginning of the legislation that will enable the UK to leave the European Union. And one of the things that we've been talking about here in Strasbourg is the future of Europe itself, and the need for more democracy and the need for people to have more power. And yet at the same time we see the UK government taking powers away from the Assembly and from the Scottish Parliament through the process of repealing European Union legislation. So we have to keep arguing not only for the rights of us as European citizens, but also for the rights of the people of Wales who voted for devolution, who voted for the powers that we have now. And in fact, we need more powers to make a successful economy in Wales. The UK government can't take away those powers which were democratically voted for by the Welsh people, and we'll keep campaigning to ensure that those powers are in the hands of the Welsh people and we get the ability and the means to strengthen and build our own economy.